If you're editing in DaVinci Resolve 20 and you want to remove a transition quickly, safely, and without messing up your timeline, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. A lot of editors add transitions while experimenting, but later realize they want a cleaner cut, a faster pace, or just a different style. The good news is that removing a transition in DaVinci Resolve 20 is very simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can delete the transition instantly and keep your clips exactly where they are. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, and let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the Edit page. On the timeline, look for the point where two clips meet. If a transition has been added, you'll usually see a small transition icon sitting right over the edit point between those clips. In DaVinci Resolve, this transition appears as a rectangular overlay spanning across the cut. It stands out from the normal clip segments because it is sitting on top of the edit point rather than being part of the colored clip itself. Take a close look at that area on the timeline. If you see the transition overlay, that means the effect is currently applied between those two clips. The key here is not to click randomly on the clips themselves. You want to target the transition icon directly. Once you've identified it, click the transition icon one time. When you do this correctly, the transition will become highlighted. In most cases, you'll notice it changes from a neutral gray appearance to a red outline, which tells you the transition is now selected. That red outline is important because it confirms the transition is active and ready for editing. It also means its properties are loaded into the inspector, so if you wanted to adjust duration, style, or alignment, this is the state you would need. But for removing it, we don't need to change any settings. We just need to delete the selected transition. With the transition highlighted, press the Backspace key or the Delete key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve removes the transition from the timeline. This deletes the transition metadata and returns the edit point to a standard base state cut. The most important part is that this removal does not shift the position of the clips. Your clips stay exactly where they are and the timeline remains intact. You're simply removing the transition effect itself. If the transition disappears, that means the process worked correctly. You should now see a clean cut between the two clips, with no overlay sitting across the edit point. This is a very useful workflow when you want to simplify your edit, speed up a sequence, or replace one transition with another. Instead of dragging clips around or rebuilding the timeline, you can just select the transition and remove it in one step. If you're working on a longer project, this method is especially helpful because you can quickly clean up multiple transitions without having to re-edit your entire timeline. Just move from cut to cut, click the transition icon, and press Delete or Backspace. It's fast, direct, and beginner-friendly. Now, one small tip. Make sure you're selecting the actual transition overline and not the clip edge itself. If you only click the cut without selecting the transition, the Delete key may not remove the effect you intended. Once the transition is highlighted with that red outline, you know you're ready to delete it. And that's all there is to it. In DaVinci Resolve 20, removing a transition as easy as identifying the transition icon, selecting it, and pressing Backspace or Delete. No complicated menus, no extra steps, and no timeline shifting. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.